Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the background color of your edits in Funimate. So here I'm going to start by clicking on edit video and then choose the video that I want to edit. For example, this one. Choose the video format. Okay, so here is my video. And to change the video format, you can just easily click on this on the right panel here. Click on this and the current color is black. For example, I want to change it into white color. Click on the color that you want, click on a check icon, and here you can resize your video by pinching it like this. You can see now the background is white, and if you want to change the color again, just click on that box again and choose the color that you want. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.